Amibroker and Kotak Neo API integration, how to log in and place orders. I offer freelance Amibroker AFL coding services at a very affordable price. If you need any AFL coding, please contact me on Telegram. Feel free to share this information with your friends and relatives. This is my blog where I post code details and updates. I also share useful information related to trading. You can download all the code from my GitHub page. For updates, join my Telegram channel, Easy Simple Trade Updates. You can also join by scanning the QR code shown here. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more content like this, please support me by doing any one of the following. Make a donation. Open a broker account using my referral. Refer my freelance services to others. All the links mentioned in this video are provided in the description. If you have any questions about the video, feel free to post them in the comments. I created this video to provide a detailed explanation of the code, which is available free of charge. Please watch the video carefully. If you face any issues with installation, I offer installation support as freelance. Please check the code after market hours before using it in the live market. Verify that the symbol name, quantity, and buy-sell instructions are correct. A free data feed for Amibroker is available. For more details, check my Telegram channel. A detailed video is coming soon. Here, we are going to use 3 software tools. Curl is used to send simple API requests. Python is used for advanced API functions. RAM disk is used to save API responses. If you are only placing orders, RAM disk isn't required, but it is needed for live data feed and WebSocket order updates. Curl comes pre-installed with the latest versions of Windows. For detailed installation steps, watch my video, Amibroker Broker API Integration Free. Download and install the latest version of Python based on your OS architecture from the official website. For detailed installation steps, watch my video, How to Install Python and Jupyter Notebook on Windows Step-by-Step Guide. Download IMDisk from SourceForge and install it. Set the drive letter to R, the file system to FAT32, the size to 64 MB and enable launch at Windows Startup. For detailed installation steps, watch my video, Install RAM Disk on Windows. To use the Kotak Neo API, you need to register on the Kotak Neo API portal and obtain your consumer key and secret. For detailed steps, watch my video, Kotak Neo API Python Integration Part 1 Login. The scripts provided with this video are different from the ones used with Amibroker. So, please download the scripts from the link given in the video description. Create a folder named API in the C drive to save Python scripts. The RAM disk, drive R, will be used for saving API response files. Download the Kotak login and Kotak limits scripts from my GitHub repository and place them in the API folder. Open the Kotak login Python script in an IDE or Notepad and update the details with your credentials. Then, scroll to the bottom of the script. Change MPIN. By default, it is set up for MPIN. If you want to use OTP instead, modify the code as shown below. In Kotak limit Python script, check the file paths are available. Download all AFLs from my GitHub and place them in the Amibroker custom folder. Download all AFLs from my GitHub and place them in the Amibroker custom folder. For multi-account users, apply the login AFLs one by one and set a unique user number for each account. If you are using multiple broker accounts, you can reuse the same number. However, if you have multiple accounts with the same broker, make sure to assign a unique user number to each account. The Kotak Equity Order AFL is used for trading in the cash segment. Apply the AFL to a chart and set the parameters. If you enter a position size, the quantity will be calculated automatically to place the order. The Enable Algo option is used to place the order. If you select No, the AFL will function as a paper trading. The Enable Order Number option allows you to receive the order number after a successful order is placed, which can be used to check the order status. If the order fails to send, the error message will be saved. Enable order number if you need. The NSE equity symbol suffix is used to append to the symbol name. If your data feed provider already includes EQ in the symbol, you can leave this field empty. The strategy tag is used to create a static variable name for the strategy. The Kotak U2O order AFL is used to place an order from a spot or futures chart to an option symbol. Apply the AFL to a chart and set the parameters. Choose the expiry date and specify whether it's a weekly or monthly expiry. Set the strike position based on ATM. Use 0 for ATM, positive numbers for OTM, and negative numbers for ITM strikes. Select number of lots. The Kotak O2O order AFL is used to place an order from an options chart to an option symbol. Apply the AFL to the chart and set the parameters. Then, select your data feed provider. This is the order function. The first argument is the transaction type, either buy or sell. Next is the trading symbol, followed by quantity, price, and trigger price. After that, specify the price type, such as market order, limit order, or stop-loss order. Then set the product type like normal, CNC, or intraday. Next is the exchange segment, followed by API credentials, and finally, whether to enable the response and its file path. Message strings are created to display details in trace messages, pop-up windows, Telegram alerts, etc. You can customize and add more details here as per your requirements. When sending messages, a trace message is created and shown in the log window. To view it, open the log window from the window menu, go to the Trace tab, right-click, and select Trace Output. Then enable both internal and external. The trace message also includes a timestamp indicating when the code was executed. By comparing this time with the time shown in your order book, you can determine the actual time taken to place the order. This helps you understand how fast your order was executed. By default, the pop-up window is disabled. To enable it, remove the double slashes from the corresponding line in the code. By default, the Telegram alert is disabled. To enable it, remove the /* and * in the function code and remove the double slashes in the order code. Then, add your bot key and channel ID. To learn how to get the bot key and private channel ID, watch my YouTube video, Send Alerts from Amibroker to Telegram channel. For multiple users, first create API credentials for each user and assign them a unique user number. Then, in the order code, add a separate line for each user, one by one. For algo trading, replace the line whereby sell, short, cover are set to 0 with your own strategy code. Make sure your strategy is properly coded for buy, sell, short, cover. Thank you for watching this video.